Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study programming. First, select a programming language that is easy for beginners, such as Python or JavaScript. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Set small, clear goals for your learning journey, like building a simple calculator. This structured approach helps build a strong foundation and keeps you motivated as you progress through your studies. The best way to learn programming is by actively doing it. Start working on small, manageable projects to apply the concepts you're learning. There are many online tutorials and documentation available to guide you through these projects. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and helps you develop practical problem-solving skills, making your learning more effective and enjoyable. As you advance, engage with the broader programming community. Join online coding communities to find support, ask questions, and learn from others. Next, delve into data structures and algorithms, which are crucial for solving complex problems efficiently. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's an excellent way to gain real-world experience and collaborate with developers globally. This engagement will significantly accelerate your growth. To maintain your edge, regularly review and refactor your code to improve its quality and efficiency. Stay informed about industry trends and emerging technologies by reading tech news and attending virtual events. Continuous learning is vital in the fast-paced tech world. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. This commitment to ongoing development ensures your skills remain relevant and sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.